Back to our channel. Today we have a Thar for service at the moment. This vehicle is done with the clutch work completely. Right now we are working on the clutch and also checking the oil leakages, and also AC check has been required, and right now we are doing the service. So you can just check out, right now we have completely removed the oil filter, air filter, and you can just check out the engine oil which has been drained out at the moment. The engine oil is totally black and it's totally done. It's 10,000 kilometers. So as per the customer requirement, the vehicle is come for an annual service maintenance. So we use genuine parts at the moment. We use Hella air filter, Edofic oil filter, and Hella coolants we use, and we use 15W40 Motul engine oil in this. Huh? So you can just have a look at the engine oil. We use Motul SAE 15W40 as per the recommendation. Right now you can just look at this Bolero. This has been completely painted and this modification is going to happen. 2-inch lift is done on this Bolero at the moment, and 31-inch empty tires have been installed Arrivo in this, and off-roading rims have been installed. 2-inch body lift has been done. So stay tuned and watch our channel. We'll be providing you more updates on this Bolero also. So at the moment few more vehicles are getting ready, and this is also an Mpfi which is completely restored and getting delivered to our customer with a DI turbo engine, 5+1 gearbox, hardtop, AC, power steering, power windows, everything done up at Jeepzone, Bangalore itself. So you can just right now have a look at the engine oil which is going to be installed on the machine at the moment. So you can just check out the engine oil which is getting installed into the machine. 7 liters of engine oil which is getting installed onto the CRD. So stay tuned and watch our channel. We'll be providing you more and more updates on all kinds of 4x4 petrol and diesel cars. We are multi-brand service center. In Bangalore we work on both cars, Gypsies, Jeeps, Boleros, Thars, 4-wheel also. Mainly we are into 4-wheel workshop. So stay tuned and watch our channel. So right now we are checking the gauge and checking the gauge of the oil, still how much the oil has to be installed on this. So right now we have cleaned the engine cover at the moment, and right now the next one would be the adding the coolant. Right now the complete coolant has been updated, and wiper we are adding the water. So any kinds of service regarding Thars, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. Our workshop name is Jeepzone. So please like and subscribe our channel and stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from our channel. Our WhatsApp number is 9886679617. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.